Is your laptop overheating? If yes, then do not worry, as we have got you covered. Well, a lot of times you might have noticed that your laptop gets warmer than usual. If it overheats to such a degree, then it's hard to operate and the performance is also affected. It could be a matter of huge concern. But wait, if you are also facing the same, then we are here to help you out. In this video, we have listed down a few tips and tricks that will help you cool down your laptop, thereby solving all your laptop heating issues. So the very first thing that you need to do is to remove dust for efficient airflow. Laptop is more prone to collecting dust over time when compared to devices like smartphones. If you find your laptop overheating, then immediately check if there's a lot of dust accumulated in the air vents or around the CPU and the whole cooling system. Secondly, you need to check for any internal damage. If your laptop is overheating, then you need to check if any damage has occurred to the charging cable, charging adapter, or the ports of your laptop. If you see so, then you need to replace the damaged part. Use a laptop cooling pad. Though laptops have internal CPU cooling fan, you should buy external cooling pad as well. Laptop cooling pad provides additional cooling support to help the laptop run as intended. Keep the room cool. Sometimes the laptop isn't at fault for the excessive overheating. The room temperature also plays a vital role in overheating the laptop. In that case, use an AC, cooler or fan to bring down the ambient temperature and prevent the laptop from overheating. Always use the original charger. Make sure that you're using the original charger that came bundled with your laptop. There are so many third-party compatible chargers in the market, but you should always use a genuine and certified charger. Well, next time if your laptop overheats, then you know what to do. We hope this video was helpful. For more such content, do like and subscribe to India.com.